An oil company is considering two sites on which to drill, described as follows. For Site A, the profit if oil is found is $80 million. The loss if no oil is found is $10 million. And the probability of finding oil is 0.20 or 20%. At Site B, the profit if oil is found is $120 million, and the loss if no oil is found is $18 million, and the probability of finding oil is 10%. So part A says, calculate the expected profit for Site A. So I want to take the $80 million and multiply it by its probability, which is 0.20. Then we need to look at the loss, which is $10 million. So that's going to be a negative 10, and its probability is going to be 80%. So I get that from taking 1 minus 0.20 is equal to 0.80. So probabilities have to add up to be 1, and if there's a 20% chance of finding oil, that means that there's an 80% chance of not finding oil. So if you type this into the calculator, then you should get 8, which stands for $8 million. Now let's do the same thing for Site B. So the profit is going to be $120 million, and the probability of that happening is 10%. And the loss, if no oil is found, is 18 million. So again, make sure to make that negative. And its probability is 90%. So 1 minus the 10% is 90%. So this will equal negative $4.2 million. So the company should drill at Site A. So it's interesting because Site B had a much higher profit if oil was found. However, it also had a higher loss if oil was not found, and the probability of finding oil was less. So that's why its expected value was less. So because Site A has the higher expected value, that's where they should drill.